Okay, now we're going to start working on finding slopes of lines. All right, so we're going to be working on linear topics. In linear topics has the word line right in the word linear. All right, so one of the most visual ways to find the slope. So here's this line right here, and there are 2 points. One way to do that is look at first how far. Always read left to right, by the way. Always read left to right. Well, we notice that as we read left to right, the line is going up. And if it's going up, we know it will be a positive slope. If the line is going up as you read left to right, it'll be positive. So from this point at this level up to this point at this level, how far did we go? We went up 1, 2. We went from here to here. Well, that process is called rise over run. How far we go up or how far we go down. If we go up, it's positive. If you read left to right, you go down. That would be a negative slope. And then when you find the run, it's always how far you go to the right. So we went up. Let's see if I have that here. We went up 2. From here to here is up 2. And then from there, here to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We went over 7, and that's the slope. And because we went up, it's a positive slope. All right, let's see. Let's go back. Oh, over here, I'm sorry. We're going to keep going over here. So now look at what we have. I'm going to get this stuff covered back up. Now we have, and let me maybe make this a little bit big again. There we go. Now we're starting, again, as you read left to right, we're starting here. Oh, look it. Now we're going down. So if we're going down as we read left to right, as you read left to right, the line is going down. That's going to be a negative slope. So how far did you go down? You went down 1, 2. So when we're finding the slope, one way to write that, oops, let's come over here. Rise, another way to write that is delta y, over run is delta x. So when you see this right here, that just means rise over run. Well, we went down 2, so we're going to do that right there. And how far did we go over? Well, we went over 1, 2. So what is negative 2? Divide 2, and we probably have that right here. Negative 1. And it's a negative slope. All right, let's go back. Now, what happens when we have a vertical line? What kind of slope is that? Well, let's see if we can figure it out. Remember, it's the change in y, or rise, over the change in x, or run, right? So the up or down, and then always to the right. Well, if we're here and here, how far did we go up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, depending on where you start, you either went up or down 6. Oh, we didn't go in any direction to the left or right. We went 0 distance. Well, if you take your calculator and do 6 divide 0, you're going to get a calculator error. Sometimes it says domain error. And the reason that is, this line is so steep, it's undefinable. In fact, that is what it is called, an undefined slope. And you can write it just like this. It's so steep, you can't even define it. Undefined slope. Now, what happens when, cover all this up, what happens when we have a horizontal slope? Well, let's see. Let me do this. Cover all, oops. Just want to get this stuff out of the way so we're focusing on what I need you to be focusing on. There we go. All right, so if we're finding the slope of a horizontal line, well, remember, we read left to right, it's rise over run. So m is equal change in y over change in x. Well, to go from here to here, we did not go up or down. So there is no up or down, so that's 0. How far did we go over? Well, from here to here, we went 1. Well, what is 0 divided by 1? 0. So that would be 0 slope. All right, and I think, so now we've talked about there's positive slope, negative slope. If it's a vertical line, it's undefined, written just like this, and then 0 slope. All right, that's it.